Sometimes when you're entering data in Legacy Family Tree, you finish creating an event fact for one ancestor, such as Teddy Bear here, where you see we have a residence fact. We can edit to see the details, and then you realise that other members of the bear family lived at the same place at the same time. Now, Legacy does have the power to share an event with other people, but some users prefer not to use that because it can be a little confusing if you export in GEDCOM format. So they close that and feel that they need to retype all of this information for each other member of the family, but they don't need to. If you look down here at the bottom right corner, these clipboard icons, and we click on copy the event to the clipboard, save for Teddy Bear twice, switch our focus from Teddy Bear to his son Paddington. At this stage, Paddington doesn't have any facts, but we can open up the page and add an event fact. But once you see this screen, don't begin to type. Come back down to the icons and select Paste the Event. And all of the information that we had for Teddy Bear is now inserted for his son Paddington. Notice even the citation for the source has been carried over. Save, and decide who else in the family you might need to enter it for. Perhaps Mama or some of the other children. Much easier than retyping.